Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on sending YouTube videos with a specific timestamp on desktop. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you're sending someone a YouTube video, you may not want them to watch the whole thing, but instead want to highlight a specific point in the video. Sending videos that start at the time you would like to highlight is a great way to do this. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. When you are on the video that you would like to send, navigate to the exact time that you would like it to start playing for the person you are sending it to. Then tap Share just below the video. Check the checkbox beside Start At and the time. Then tap Copy to copy the link. You can then paste that link to whomever you wanted to share the video with. When they open it, it will start playing at the time you chose. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more YouTube tips and tricks.